Humdinger plays with a toy plane. But loses control. The plane crashes.
Oh no!
And sets the dry grass on fire. Ryder gets the alert and calls the rescue team. The pups jump into action. Chase secures the area. Marshall puts out the fire. Sky checks the wind. The fire is out. Katie helps, and Mayor Humdinger feels embarrassed.
I'm sorry.
Teamwork is always the key, and no more dangerous games. The little red balloon was swept away by the wind.
Oh no!
Who will help the girl?
Hey, hey!
Okay. Okay.
It's time to act. The rescue team is ready. When we help each other, smiles always come back. After the rain, a rainbow appears. But wait. Oh. Where did all the colors go? The pups have an idea. Let's find colors in nature. Pink from lotus.
Oh!
Green from the trees. Yellow from sunflower. One by one, the colors return to the sky. A rainbow starts to shine again. With teamwork and a little magic, the rainbow is back and brighter than ever. The birthday is ready. But the cake is gone. tiny prince and crumbs near the tussock. A little bunny wanted a birthday too. The cake is shared and the party begins.